Is Atticus secure? It's a question many of you might be asking, especially if you're considering this fantastic writing tool for your next manuscript, or if you already use it and rely on it daily. In an age where digital security is paramount, and data breaches seem to be a constant worry, understanding the safety of our online tools isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Think about it. You pour your heart and soul into your writing. Hours, days, weeks, maybe even months crafting characters, building worlds, perfecting prose. This isn't just data. It's your intellectual property, your creative output, your potential livelihood. So, the idea of that work being compromised, lost, or accessed without your permission is, frankly, terrifying. Atticus, for those unfamiliar, is a relatively new player in the writing software space, designed to be an all-in-one solution for writers, covering everything from drafting and organizing your manuscript to formatting it for publication. It's lauded for its user-friendly interface, its robust features, and its ambition to simplify the often complex journey from first draft to published book. But with all that convenience comes the inevitable question. How well is it protected? To truly unpack the security of Atticus, we need to look at several key areas: data storage, encryption, access control, and the company's overall security practices. This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about informed decision-making. It's about empowering you, the writer, to understand the risks and benefits associated with the tools you choose. Let's start with data storage. Where does your precious manuscript actually live when you're working in Atticus? Unlike some older software that keeps everything strictly local on your computer, Atticus operates with a cloud-first approach. This means your work is primarily stored on remote servers. The benefit here is huge: accessibility from anywhere, automatic backups, and less worry about local hard drive failures. But the flip side is that these servers become a potential point of vulnerability. Atticus, like many cloud-based services, utilizes major cloud infrastructure providers. These providers, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, or Google Cloud, are known for their incredibly robust security measures. They invest billions in protecting their data centers, employing everything from physical security to advanced cyber defenses. However, the responsibility for securing the application built on top of that infrastructure and the data within it ultimately rests with Atticus itself. This brings us to encryption. Is your data encrypted both in transit, as it travels between your computer and the servers, and at rest, when it's stored on the servers? This is a fundamental aspect of modern digital security. Atticus employs industry-standard encryption protocols. When your data is being sent to or from their servers, it's typically secured using Transport Layer Security, TLS, the successor to SSL. You see this in action whenever you visit a website with https:// in the address bar and a padlock icon. This encrypts the communication channel, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to snoop on your data as it travels across the internet. For data at rest, Atticus utilizes server-side encryption. This means that your manuscript, when stored on their cloud servers, is encrypted, typically using AES 256, a very strong encryption standard. Even if someone were to gain unauthorized access to the servers, the data itself would be unintelligible without the decryption keys. Now, let's talk about access control. Who can actually access your data within Atticus? This covers both internal access, by Atticus employees, and external access, by unauthorized third parties. Reputable software companies, like the team behind Atticus, adhere to strict internal policies regarding data access. Employee access to user data should be limited to an absolute need-to-know basis, meaning only those who require access for legitimate support or development purposes should have it, and even then, their access should be logged and audited. This minimizes the risk of insider threats. For external threats, Atticus implements various security measures to prevent unauthorized access to user accounts. This includes strong password policies and, increasingly, the option for multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA is a critical layer of security that requires you to verify your identity using a second method, like a code from your phone, in addition to your password. If Atticus offers MFA, we highly recommend enabling it. It's a simple step that significantly reduces the risk of your account being compromised through stolen or weak passwords. Beyond these technical aspects, it's crucial to consider the company's overall security posture. Do they have a dedicated security team? Do they conduct regular security audits and penetration testing? Do they have a clear privacy policy that outlines how your data is collected, used, and protected? While Atticus is a newer company, their commitment to security is evident in their chosen infrastructure and their publicly available privacy policies. They understand that trust is paramount in the software industry, especially when handling sensitive creative work. Companies that prioritize security often have bug bounty programs, inviting ethical hackers to find vulnerabilities, or they subscribe to security certifications like ISO 27001. While Atticus may not have all of these in place as a newer platform, their use of established, secure cloud providers is a strong foundation. It's also important to remember that security is a shared responsibility. While Atticus takes significant steps to secure its platform, users also have a role to play. Using strong, unique passwords for your Atticus account, enabling MFA if available, and being wary of phishing attempts are all critical steps you can take to protect your work. Regularly backing up your work, even if Atticus offers cloud storage, is also a wise practice. While Atticus provides robust cloud storage, having an additional local backup gives you an extra layer of peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.